In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview documents in Pandadoc. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly get a clean, printable view of your Pandadoc document using the current interface. Let's start from the moment you're inside your Pandadoc account. First, go ahead and open the document you want to preview for printing. This might be a contract, a proposal, or any other template you're working on. Make sure you're in the main document view where you can see all the pages, fields, and content laid out on the screen. Once your document is open, look to the top right corner of the Pandadoc interface. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More menu. This is where Pandadoc hides extra options that aren't shown directly on the toolbar, including the option we need to properly preview and print. Click on those 3 vertical dots to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, choose Download. What this does is generate a PDF version of your document. This step is important because printing directly from your browser view can sometimes cut off margins, change page breaks, or alter how fields and images are laid out. By downloading the PDF first, you're seeing the document in a format that's much closer to what your recipients or signers will see and to what will come out of the printer. After you select Download, Pandadoc will prepare the file. Depending on the size of your document and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the file has finished downloading, locate it in your browser's download bar or in your computer's Downloads folder. Then open it with your default PDF viewer, such as Preview on Mac or a PDF Reader on Windows. Now you're looking at the true print preview of your Pandadoc document. This is the best time to scroll through each page and double-check things like page breaks, alignment, fonts, and any images or signatures. If something doesn't look right, you can go back into Pandadoc, make your edits, and repeat the download step until you're happy with the layout. When everything looks good, you're ready to print. On Windows, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command+P. This will open your system's print dialog, where you can choose your printer, select specific pages if needed, adjust orientation, and confirm your settings. Once you're set, click Print, and your Pandadoc document will come out exactly as you saw it in the PDF preview.